Roadmap to become a Power BI developer. Want to become a Power BI developer? Here's your complete roadmap to get started. What does a Power BI developer do? A Power BI developer creates dashboards, reports, and data visualizations to help businesses make better decisions. They turn raw data into meaningful insights using Power BI tools and analytics. Where it's used, Power BI is used across industries like finance, healthcare, retail, marketing, logistics, and IT. Companies use it to analyze performance, track KPIs, and monitor business growth. Start with the basics. Understand what business intelligence and data analytics are. Learn how organizations use data to make strategic decisions. Learn Excel and data fundamentals. Build a strong foundation in Excel, data cleaning, and data organization. Understand rows, columns, tables, and relationships between datasets. Learn Power BI tools. Get familiar with Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power Query. Understand how to import, transform, and visualize data. Master data visualization. Learn how to create interactive dashboards, charts, KPIs, and reports. Focus on designing clear and user-friendly visualizations. Understand DAX and data modeling. Learn DAX formulas and measures for calculations and analysis. Understand relationships, star schema, and data modeling concepts. Work with databases and SQL. Learn SQL basics to fetch and manage data from databases. Understand how Power BI connects with different data sources. Learn data transformation. Use Power Query to clean, transform, and prepare data for reporting. Data preparation is one of the most important skills for a Power BI developer. Build real dashboards. Create dashboards for sales, finance, HR, or marketing data. Hands-on projects help you gain practical experience. Understand sharing and deployment. Learn how to publish reports, manage workspaces, and share dashboards securely. Understand refresh schedules and user access management. Be ready for challenges. Handling large datasets, slow performance, and complex calculations can be challenging. Attention to detail and analytical thinking are important. Think like a data professional. Focus on accuracy, storytelling, and business insights. A great dashboard should help users understand data quickly and clearly. Turn data into insights. Start your journey today and become a Power BI developer, helping businesses make smarter decisions.